Hey everyone! Welcome back to Ninth Avenue. Today, we're diving into a topic that can truly transform your life, achieving the perfect work-life balance. If you're feeling overwhelmed by your job, struggling to find time for yourself, or just looking to boost your overall happiness, you've come to the right place. Stick around because we've got 12 simple life-changing hacks that will help you live a more balanced life. Let's get started. Set clear boundaries, designate specific work hours, and communicate them to your team. Use tools like Do Not Disturb mode on your phone to enforce these boundaries, ensuring you have dedicated time for personal activities. Prioritize tasks with the Eisenhower matrix. Divide tasks into urgent and important categories. Focus on completing tasks that are both urgent and important first to maximize productivity and reduce stress. Block out time in your calendar for personal activities and hobbies. Treat this time as sacred and non-negotiable, just like you would with work meetings. Designate specific times during the day or week to disconnect from screens. Use this time for activities that promote relaxation and mental clarity, such as reading, going for a walk, or socializing with family and friends. Practice the art of declining additional tasks that don't align with your priorities and work responsibilities. This helps you protect your time and energy for activities that truly matter to you. Adopt techniques such as Pomodoro technique to maintain focus and productivity. Work in focused intervals of 25 minutes, followed by a short break, ensuring you recharge regularly throughout the day. Identify tasks that can be delegated to colleagues or outsourced. Trusting others to handle certain responsibilities allows you to focus on higher priority tasks and manage work time efficiently. Incorporate daily self-care activities, such as exercise and healthy eating. Taking care of your physical and mental well-being is crucial for maintaining work-life balance. If working from home, set up a designated area for work that is free from distractions. This helps you create a clear boundary between work time and personal time. Regularly evaluate your work-life balance and make adjustments as needed. Reflect on what's working and what's not, and be willing to adapt your strategies to better suit your needs. Plan ahead. Use a planner or digital calendar to organize your schedule in advance. Allocate time for work tasks, family activities, and personal time to ensure a balanced approach throughout the week. Communicate effectively. Maintain open communication with your employer and colleagues about your workload and boundaries. Discussing your needs helps create a supportive work environment and promotes better balance. There you have it, 12 ways to improve your work-life balance. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and share it with friends who could use a little balance boost. Don't forget to subscribe. Comment below which hack you're excited to try or share your own tips for achieving work-life balance. Thanks for watching, take care of yourself, and we'll see you in the next video.